Good morning, guys. Finally, I'm back. Boss is back. Um, so I wanted to start. First things first, I just took a long break, maybe for like 20 days or something. So it started with the sickness, then came with the excuses, then came with self-doubts. But yeah, finally I'm back. But I feel more confident after the break, because something was wrong with my schedule, which I needed to fix. Hopefully I'm fixing it now. Full tank आके normal full tank. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸಾಕು. ಹಾಂ, ಶೆಲ್ಲಾಪ್ ಇದೆ. ಆಯಿತು. थर्टी 33 कर दो भाई. हाँ, पीछे का. आगे का 25 25 Pulse 204V. Okay, thanks भैया. So what is the actual if you guys own an Xpulse 204V and you're watching this, what is the pressure, the air tire pressure that you put in your tire? I feel 33 back and 25 front actually is the best in terms of performance, like extra mileage. So it increases mileage by taking care of your tire pressures. So 33 back and 25 front, as per in my experience and in the roads that I travel in every day, so it feels good. But bro, for filling a petrol and to fill up low, literally 10 minutes have gone by. Shit, this thing I should have done way before itself, not on Monday, freaking Monday. But yeah, what's better than record this crazy ass Monday? Like, this is real life, bro. This is reality. Look, so many people are going to job. Some people are working for their dreams, for their goals. One thing you have to learn from this experience is that you're not special, and you're just like everybody else, and we all start from somewhere. For example, there is a 10-floor building, but some may start their life from ground floor, some may start from first floor, some may start from 5th floor, some may start from even the 10th floor and literally have nowhere to go. But coming from the ground floor to from the ground floor going to the top floor, that itself is a beautiful journey. So we have to thank for all the struggles you have in your life, because that is what makes you strong. And thank my past, because of my past I am here doing this shit. But in the end, man, this is a start. I'm just बकचोदी कर रहा हूँ, समझ लो, what they say in Hindi. But I missed this so much, man. Actually, I missed this so much. Yeah, where was I? Actually, I stopped uploading because of getting sick. I got sick 20 days back. Then later came the judgmental stage, like I was scared of judgment. Then later came the self-doubt stage, that is it worth it, is it what I'm doing, is it like that, so many thoughts, you know. So the judgment stage is also like this, like, oh, my friend is watching this, oh, my colleagues are watching this, oh, my boss is watching this, my friends are watching this, my family may be watching this. So you have to pass all that stage to actually reach ultimate freedom. I'm almost there, bro. So sickness, judgmental stage, then self-doubt stage, then came the laziness stage. I was just too lazy to like start back again. It takes so much energy. Like while going with the flow, somehow you can just go with the flow, you know. Once you start, it's you build a momentum, and the momentum just keeps on pushing you. But you know, the starting is the most difficult part. I really needed so much energy to again start. So somehow I built up the energy and I started uploading again, and it feels, I mean, I'm gonna upload again, so it feels really good. What else? I probably should keep these videos like under 10 minutes for now, you know, because these things, you know, I just don't want to do it like occasionally or just once in some full moon time or something like that. I want to do this on a regular basis and also not in such a hurry. One thing I know, so in this few days where I didn't upload, actually I analyzed my videos. Like I actually I don't watch my own videos because I don't really have much time for that. But you know what, even I don't feel much comfortable to even watch my own videos back. But the thing is, after analyzing my video, it is having a little bit gaps, you know. It's not about like uploading daily, but at least there should never be a day where I don't upload for more than 2 days, right? That's the goal now. And if you're uploading like every day and being so consistent, you actually don't really need a script or have a script. You have no other option but to be you and just speak your mind. I just want to keep that. Anyways, I'm not doing this for views, for any subscribers, likes or something, right? Let me just document my rights, document my thoughts. Let me keep this as a online diary, like journaling. And if people really like it, if people think the same, we have the same mindset like me, we'll build a community like the same people, pushing each other to their best and to their limits. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Like to upload every day from now on, no 3 days bullshit or nothing. Because after analyzing my videos, I came to a conclusion that what I'm doing is not so epic, you know. So you really need patience also to watch my video from the start to finish, because nowadays everybody has a very short attention span, because they're actually better content than what I'm providing, right? Logically, let's think about it. Like, you can find better videos than what you're watching right now in just the recommendation tab beside you or below you if you're watching on phone. So, and also the shorts, every short form videos, like they made it really hard for a person to watch from the start to the end in a long form video like this. See, already we have mostly reached almost 20 minutes. So yeah, I'm gonna end it very soon. And also just keep on going consistently, and maybe after a few videos, a few months or years, I found my people. And yeah, like what I'm creating is not for everybody in the world, you know. It's not for everyone, but it'll not even be the content for the type of people you're surrounded with right now, because it's just an average content from an average guy to a below average audience, or just joking, like for just an audience that that just want to grow, like don't give a shit about anything and just want to grow from the beginning, you know. Everybody grows into one big stage, or they reach one final destination, they find some crazy. Finally, after getting some results or getting somewhere, then they start documenting, then they start uploading, then they start whatever, dikana falkana. But my vision is a little bit different, you know. I want to start from when actually I regret not starting few years back itself, right? So I don't want to regret that anymore. Like I want to start. I wanted to start from nothing, but let's we are somewhere in the somethingness. Let's try to reach everything very soon. So with that, I'm gonna end this beautiful session, and let's hope that that I reach office on time today, you know. Okay, a peace, bye bye. Let's keep it simple, guys. Let's keep it simple.